So I am going to show you in the next 2 minutes how you can make your first $1,000 check working from home, get it sent directly to your inbox. Now, if you're wondering who the heck am I to be talking about this stuff, that is ClickBank Platinum Award for earning over $1 million in a year. And this is what I'm currently making every single day. That's $11,000 if I could highlight it. $8,000, $20,000, $11,000 in a day online. Now you need to know 3 things in order to get your first $1,000 check sent to your home. You need to know first is you can't be doing anything that requires technical skills. I'm assuming here that you don't know how to program a website or you don't know how to do that sort of video editing sort of stuff. You need to start with a business that is not technical if you want to make your first $1,000 check. Otherwise, you will create obstacles, okay? Number 2 is you need to do something that doesn't require a significant investment or a lot of money or any money whatsoever to get started making money. Because if you are spending money before you are making money, then it's a much more difficult situation. So don't do that. And the third thing is, well, before I go into the third thing, let me emphasize about not spending a lot of money when you start. Because when I got started, I met a mentor. His name was Kelly Felix, and I was actually in Hollywood. I was at a bar when I met this guy, a multi-millionaire. I had heard about him on internet forums, and I asked him, I said, how do I make money online? And he said, hey, he said, shoot me an email and I'll show you how you can earn commissions. And it's called affiliate marketing, okay? You can, and he said, you can make commissions, you can get $1,000 checks sent to your home, and I'll give you my ads to copy, because he's already made tens of millions of dollars. So he said, he replied to my email and he showed me how I could make thousands of dollars online, and I quit. 2 months later, I was able to quit my $6,000 a month job, and I earned $25,000 that next month. 2 months later, after he showed me this. Now, if that doesn't show you, I didn't spend any money to learn how to do this, and I made $25,000. That's $5,000 you just saw rain down right there. That's another $1,000 right there. I've got more money than I know what to do with, and I don't live very large. Now, the third thing you need to know is you need to do something that doesn't require a lot of your time. If to earn your money, you have to work for every dollar. You are going to be just another glorified slave. That's what you're going to do. If your money is tied to your time, you are a glorified slave. Now, what you need to do is do a business that isn't tied into this. I love traveling the world. I love experiencing life. Now, if you are interested in, come over here. If you are interested in getting started, just like I did with my mentor, you can go to this page and click the link. Click the link on this video, and I will show you. You can get access to a free 2-hour training where I will show you exactly how I earn money online. Just like my mentor showed me how to make money online, I'm going to show you how you can earn money online. Let's get it.